go. I'm Lilli and Carey.
And I'm Carey.
And we are here at NWDance. We did a beginning lyrical shadow workshop.
So fun.
You guys have been rocking and rolling all night long. So we started, shadow is one of those dances where we're actually dancing side by side.
I get to go forward.
Yes. And interestingly enough, one of the things that makes it particularly lovely is that I'm going to be stepping on my right foot on count 1, which is, unless you do cross step, not usual. So I'll have to do a foot fudge. I'll go over that in a second. But here's a little of what we did. We started out in basic left-handed leads left, backing waltz. We started off with shifts, which is also sort of like saying, hi, how are you?
Oh, good, how are you? Oh, it's good to see you.
It's
Right,
good to
we're getting
see you.
reacquainted. We're finding the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yada. Rise up.
And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I want to be able to get into shadow. So I'm going to use a little forward and back action, forward, step, step, back, push, to be able to get my partner there. So with the basic on top, it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Forward,
right way, I stretch,
back,
up and over.
and 1, and 4. Then we're going to shift a little bit in and out. We'll do it from this side, in, out. I'm actually shifting my body, and I'm using this connection on her back rather than pulling the arms.
Right.
So
We have this lovely connection here.
Could be doing it just this way, right?
Yeah. We are going in and out because we are both on the same feet. So when she is sending me away, we go away, 2, 3, back, 5, and 1.
So my footwork, starting with my left foot, is 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, step 1. So basically I'm holding 6. I'm saying hold on 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6 and step 1. Right, and I'm listening for that downbeat. Boom, ba, da, boom.
So it looks like this.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Wait
5,
for it.
and 1,
Boom.
and 4.
We're off to the races.
We also said, if you don't want to hang around that long waiting to be able to switch your feet, you can just go 1, 2, 3, stand there, and get ready for count 1.
Yes.
Believe me, the follow won't know, and it is a good way to do it. I want you to feel comfortable enough to use shadow
You can
waltz.
always just go right foot, boom, right foot.
This also happens when I'm getting out of shadow. I need to change back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So
When we did that, just to review that now, when we got out of shadow, she was going to bring me in front and give me a little prep. 1, 2, 3, and kind of wound up to my left. Then this hand's going to come back and down. I'm going to scoop for 4, 5. I scoop again for 6, and she picks me up in time. We're going to like
I'm
this.
also going to catch that back as soon as I can, so she slows down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, back, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Other moves that we did, we started off early with this little bit of a prep in,
Same idea.
right? And we used this in 2 or 3 moves actually. We used it in the exit, and we used it in this very first move that we did, which is a nice little outside turn. Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the prep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She's doing a little scoop. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and a 4. Then we also did an around the world.
We love it.
And the around the world has sort of an illusion. It looks like she is doing,
Oh my God, I go over here, and then I gotta go over here, and then I gotta, oh my God, get over there.
right? Not so much, because I'm going to make it easy for her. The first 6 steps, I'm pretty much standing in place, but I do use this little in front piece. So 1 lift,
to the
side, across the back, and in front. Timing is 1, 2, 3,
To the
4,
side,
and 1, and 4.
Switch, 5, 6.
And notice I'm taking those side steps, which makes it
To the
really
right.
easy
To the left.
for the follow.
Haha.
Then we did a variation on that.
Yes, we did.
We did something called through the rabbit hole. We'll do it this direction and then do it forward with basic. And 1, 2, 3, 4. She's going to stretch. I'm going to step forward, step back, check up and follow, offer this hand.
Yeah.
And 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, and 4. Offer the hand, offer it again. 4, and 1, and 4.
We're really talking about how as a follow, I'm always looking to fill those energetic spaces, whether I'm stretching front or to the side, or even getting that side connection there. I'm always looking to use that energy to find the connection with my lead.
And it makes so much difference. It really makes the difference between it feeling like this lovely, delicious dance or something that's just kind of hanging out but not doing as much. We did one more move.
Yes, we did.
We did hesitations.
Oh, so wonderful for those beautiful downbeats and walls.
So when you got a music that goes
Da,
bam,
da, da, da,
bam, right?
da,
And you're
da.
like, oh, I want to do something to that. Well, here we go. So in this case, we worked off the concept that I'm going to stop my follow by using compression release. So compression release, I'm going to step away from you for just a second. So these hesitations, actually, we should show them very quickly. Hesitation, hesitation, right? So as we're doing that, I'm going to be saying, no, you can't go. Nope. I know you tried. Nope. Right? And so in each case, I'm keeping my follow from moving forward. I'm letting them run into my hands.
As she compresses, I'm going to return that energy and compress back. So we put a little bass on top. Da, 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 da,
Here it
da,
is.
da,
Compression release.
Compress release. Da, 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 da. She
Right.
rises up and heads forward.
All right. And I believe
That was what we did.
that is
Lots
what we
of shadow
did.
stuff. Thank you guys
Well
so
done,
much.
Lilli.